this is a continuation of the program of the Ministry of Justice to go right across Jamaica to take justice services to the people.
We're offering information on all our services: restorative justice, legal aid counsel is here, expungement unit is here, child diversion is here. So all of the services that the ministry offer, we're here giving persons information so they can have access to justice.
We don't have to go to the court for everything. We know that many cases will end up in the courts. But I want the people of Jamaica to know that you can find available justice services across Jamaica. The victim service offices have counselors who can talk to the victim of abuse, domestic abuse. Not only counsel them, but oftentimes try to get the abuser to get together and go to restorative justice. Restorative justice is justice that heals, where you bring the victim and the wrongdoer, the offender, the abuser, the wrongdoer, together. And you try to sort out the issues and hope that the relationship that exists, and very often it is relationship in the home, sometimes it is in the neighborhood or the community or the business place, but when you can get them together to admit wrongdoing and to forgive, then we can restore the relationship. We have child diversion. When they get into problems, we ask the police or the community or the courts to refer them to child diversion. Child diversion is to divert our young people away from wrongdoing. Anyone who needs legal advice, you see that bus? We have 3 of them. They can visit any church, any school, any community if you just call the Ministry of Justice and say you want a bus. And the bus doesn't come by itself. The bus comes with attorneys. So the attorneys are there to give advice, free legal advice.
We want persons to be aware of their rights, to know the laws of Jamaica, and to be able to access services in relation to their legal matters.
These alternate justice services is to ensure that we nip conflicts before they escalate into further violence or abuses.